So you've created your own gang sheet outside of our builder. We're gonna show you how to upload it on our website. There's actually 3 different ways and we're gonna go through each one. First one is gonna be our transfer by size. If you have your gang sheet prepared, make sure you guys export it exactly within 22 inch by 100 inch. That's the maximum gang sheet size. You can do 22 by 12 if you want to, but 22 by 100 is the largest. So when you're at the transfer by size, you can either drag and drop or you can click on the button here to upload. So we've pre-made the gang sheet. It's a PNG. It works best here. Once you're uploaded, there's going to be not only a bar that goes through here, but there is a percentage. The larger the file, the longer this is going to take. So you might have to be a little patient, but trust me, it's not too long at all. All right, now that you have it loaded, it does give you a preview of the size. It shows it's within the 22 by 96.53, so it is well within our 22 by 100 gang sheet. You want to make sure, by the way, when you're in this step, that it's not flipped horizontally. It will only accept the file vertically, so make sure it's 22 by 100. Now that you have it loaded, you can always choose the amount of quantities that you want to pick from this. So let's say you want to do a quantity of 2, you're just going to click on custom quantity, add 2, and then you can add it to the cart. Once you get to the next page, it will verify. You can see that it is transparent, quantity is 2. You can easily make your checkout at that point. Now the second method is using our Gangsheet Builder. So you can go to the top left corner, click on transfer. You're going to scroll to the gang sheets down to DTF Transfer Gangsheet Builder. Now we have videos showing how to use this really well and easily, but you're just choosing the gang sheet of your choice. Click on build your own gang sheet, and you can go ahead and upload the gang sheet that you created. So we're gonna do the same thing, upload that 22 by 100. And now I click on that and it populates onto my screen exactly 21 and some change inch by 96. As you see, there's some little room right here for you to use, but if not, then it's ready to go. This is the second method on how to do this. Now I like the Gangsheet Builder as well on this tool, because if you want to, you can always put on a background to check certain visual aids. Like I can put on a gray or a black, but if you put black, you can't see those texts there. So back to transparency, everything looks good. It's nice and spaced out. Go ahead and add it to your cart, and you can go ahead and name it or date it any certain way so that you can always refer back to this if you need to reorder. You can also add on additional pages if you want to make it work. But this is the second way on how to upload your gang sheet. Third way is our original way, which is called our legacy method. The reason why somebody would actually use this original method is if you have a larger file than 500 megabytes and you need to upload it to our server. The other 2 methods may not be able to handle that file of that sort because it's just too much bandwidth. So you're gonna have to use the traditional form where you're gonna be dragging and dropping the file here. What you're doing is you're just dragging that particular file. It's gonna go ahead and load 1 to 100%. You're gonna put the same file name. This one was called sample gang sheet. Sec. So let's say that was your gang sheet. The artwork dimensions here, you're just gonna leave it at 22, and you wanna do, let's say 2. If there's any special instructions, you're gonna fill it out here, choose your production as well as your shipping speed, enter all your information so we can get in contact as well as send you an invoice. And then that's it. All you're doing is submitting it to us. We'll take a look at it. We'll send you an invoice and we'll get rolling with the gang sheet. So that's how you do 3 different methods on uploading your gang sheet to our company. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We hope this helps clarify this process.